also known as Mobi Technology Private Limited. Today I am going to show one of the new type of projects. It's a solar power refrigeration system. In this project we have to do two functions, heating and cooling with the help of TEG module, that is thermoelectric generator modules. Let's see what's the parts we have to attach here and how it works. So let's see. The first parts of this project is the solar panel. So solar panel, from the solar panel we have to generate the solar energy into electric energy, and we have to utilize this electric energy in whole system. Second compartments is the for a refrigeration unit and cooling and heating units. So we have to do two boxes here. So in the first box, that is a small red box, in this box we have to do two functions, heating and cooling, and the big one box, white box, we have to do cooling functions in this. After that we have to circuit arrangement here. This circuit arrangement is for the controlling unit of this refrigeration system. Also the power supply or the battery we have to attach here. So whatever the solar energy conversion from electric energy, it will be stored in this battery, and we have to utilize this energy in whole systems. Also we have to use a controller 8051 with LCD display. It is used to monitor the voltage present in the battery. So we have to just lively monitor what the voltage requirements in whole the system. Second things, we have to use MPPT controller with DC to DC boost converter. It will be used to monitor the energy which is extract from the solar, and it will be send it to the battery. Okay. उसके बाद next thing is we have to attach various switches here. So to controlling all the functions of heating and cooling elements here. So now let's see how it works. So guys, now let's see the total function, how it works. So first of all we have to attach a 12 volt 8 ampere battery here. So first of all you have to attach these pins, red and black, for positive and negative connections. After that you have to just insert the pin to the control board. So in this way display is on. In this display units the name is written like a solar power refrigeration unit now first, and then it will be like voltage. Now the voltage here is present in 0 0. So when you attach this pin to the control board, so display unit first display the project name, that is solar operated refrigeration unit. After that it gives the voltage, right, that is voltage is 0 0. Okay. So now when we connect this positive pin to the positive terminals of the battery, then it gives the voltage that is present in a battery. Okay. So right now the voltage is 12.93 for it. Okay. So it is display when we attach this pin to the positive terminals of the battery. So we have monitored the live voltage present in the battery. After this we have connect one DC to DC boost converter circuit here, which is help to boost the DC voltage. Then we connect the MPPT controller, which is used to whatever the energy made extract from the solar panels to boost at maximum point. We have to use this MPPT controller. Then we have attached one switch here. This switch is used to control the red box, that is the heating and cooling unit present at the top. Okay, so let's see how it works. So first of all we have to just on the switch. After that there is a one again switch is present here. So it is represents cooling and heating. So when you press at one direction, the light is glow, LED light is glow inside the box, and now the system is on. Also we have on this white box also. So now let's see, the current temperature is 25.3 degrees Celsius inside the box. Let's see how it works. Now the temperature will be reduced. It's around 24.8 degrees Celsius. Now it's 22.9 degrees Celsius. Now it's 20.9 degrees Celsius. Now it's 19.6 degrees Celsius. So in this way the temperature is reduces automatically. It displays in this temperature sensor, and in this box all the temperature in this box will be very cool right now, and it is sensed by the temperature sensor. Also at this box the temperature is right now it is hot. So for this we have to measure with the help of temperature sensor. First of all we switch off this, and we have to just measure the temperature of this only. So right now the temperature is 30.9 degrees Celsius, 31 is continuously increases. Okay, now we have to just toggle the switch, that means in cooling mode. Let's see what is the temperature. Now the temperature is reverse, that means it is dropped down. Now is 37.5, is now again reduced, 36.3, 35.8, 34, 33. So in this way the temperature is increases and it will be reduced in this box, and it will be totally monitored with the help of temperature sensor. Now let's switch off this. So in this way we have to conclude that the solar operated refrigeration system with heating and cooling unit, it will be successfully working and it will be successfully done. And hope you guys like this type of the project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share it. If you want the innovative project for your academic final year, so please contact us. Thanks for watching.